సెమిస్టర్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విత్ ఐఐటీస్. సో ఒక 2 ఇయర్స్ ఇక్కడ చదివిన తర్వాత మనం 2 ఇయర్స్ వేరే ఐఐటీస్‌లో చదువుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. అటువంటి అవకాశం ఓన్లీ ఇండియాలోనే ఫస్ట్ యూనివర్సిటీ కల్పిస్తుంది. అదే జేకేఎల్ యూనివర్సిటీ. సో అక్కడ చదివిన విద్యార్థులు అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 ఇయర్, 2 ఇయర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ అక్కడికెళ్ళిన స్టూడెంట్స్ మనతో పాటే ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్.
Hello,
మే ఐ నో యువర్ నేమ్ ప్లీజ్?
my name is Ayan Ansari.
వెన్ డిడ్ యూ జాయిన్ జేకేఎల్ యూనివర్సిటీ?
I joined JKLU in the year 2023.
Okay, with the semester exchange program with IIT, which IIT have you been studied?
I studied in my fourth semester at IIT Gandhinagar.
IIT Gandhinagar. Wow. So how was the experience with the IIT universities?
Actually, the experience was really good. I really enjoyed the campus life there. There are 100% hostelers there, so it was really fun. There were various events, especially hackathons were really good. Actually, all of the students mostly participates in the hackathons, and also the exposure is really great because the mentors here are highly skilled and very qualified. I really liked the information which they provide, and also the content which they teach is really good.
So have you seen any change after going to IIT and before going to IIT and after coming from IIT?
I think my confidence was really boosted up because I performed well in specific courses. For example, in algorithms, the teacher was really helpful. He helped me in getting my first internship also in algorithms. So also improved my technical skills in particular domains like Rust language.
And any curriculum syllabus and all different, it made you difficult to perform there, or it is easy because it's already we are having the same IIT curriculum here?
They are mostly research focused. And their content is also like for better for students who are interested in research. And I think in JKLU they are really job focused. And development focused.
So what do you want to say to the students who really want to join IIT but they didn't get any seats? But is it a very good chance to study in JKL University so that they can pursue their dream studying in IIT?
I think also JK Lakshmipati University fulfilled my dream of studying in IIT.
Okay.
So it is a really good opportunity. JKLU has really helped me in joining IIT. So if your dream is IIT and you're not able to achieve that through JEE mains, then of course you can join JK Lakshmipati University.
So very all the best and congratulations for
Okay,
that.
thank
you. Hi, may I know your name please?
Hi, I'm Gursna Kaur.
Okay, so finally did you achieve or did you fulfill your dream studying in IIT?
Yes.
So which IIT have you
I
been?
go to IIT Gandhinagar.
Okay. Which semester have you been attended?
I have been there for 4th semester.
Fourth semester. How was the experience in IIT
The
Gandhinagar?
experience was really good. The campus was literally big and it has too much to do. There are a lot of activities which we can explore and other study materials also. There were too much to learn and great experience.
Okay. So how about the faculty over there and the infrastructure
Infrastructure was really cool.
and the faculty?
And the faculty were literally knowledgeable and the way they are explaining, the way the questions, they put the questions is incredible.
So did you get the sem transcripts or semester memos and all
Yes.
from the IIT Gandhinagar? How was the feeling of getting those IIT certificates?
That was literally cool. And the excitement of showing to my relatives, friends, everybody like, see, I have go to IIT Gandhinagar.
So do that matter in your resume, having those kind of IIT
I guess
resumes?
yes.
Yes?
That should matter.
Okay.
And I have achieved that.
You have fulfilled your dream. You have
Yes.
pursued studying in IIT, so it has come true. So very all the best. Thank you. Hi Ishika.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. How
So
are you?
I'm good, thank you, dear. So when did you join JKL University?
I joined it in 2023.
2023, and with the semester exchange program with IITs, which IIT did you choose?
I have chosen IIT Gandhinagar.
IIT Gandhinagar. How was the experience over there?
The experience was quite quite fantastic because we have a dream to go to the IIT and experience all the things they study and all. So I got an opportunity from JK Lakshmipati University as well, and I also met two IIT professors and their PG students and all. The whole environment is quite fantastic. And it's quite joyful, and you can learn more and more all the day. Or you can say, if you try something new, you have so many things to do there. And the campus was quite nice.
Nice,
It was
okay.
very huge
So,
as well.
what's the change have you observed in you after coming from IIT Gandhinagar?
The change, like in my perspective, we learn from practical knowledge.
Okay.
And we more focused on practical knowledge because when we go for our job or for our internship, the practical knowledge is more important.
Okay.
There I have lots of projects, and that project also helped me to understand more logics and other things. And the environment was completely different. The teaching techniques and the teachers, the faculties, their thinking process, it's all completely different.
So is it difficult for you to adjust there from here to there, or it just been very easy?
Not so much difficult, but yeah, it's quite difficult because you have to understand how the teachers are thinking, what the thinking process,
Thought process and all those things.
yeah, the
Okay.
thought processes and how to cope up with all those things. Because the teaching pattern in JK Lakshpat University, it's different from them, because
Okay.
it's obvious,
Obviously,
all
yes.
have their
All the
own,
IITians and all
yeah,
those.
all have their
So
own
did you get your
process.
semester transcript and semester memo?
Yeah.
Oh, so how was the feeling of getting IIT's memo?
It's a tag of IIT, and that's a huge
Definitely. So do you think it matters for you in the resume of yours in the future?
Yeah, it's completely matters a lot because in your resume you have a tag of IIT. In today's the AI is used to shortlist the resume first. So that IIT Gandhinagar will help me to shortlist in my resume.
Wow, so that one word, IIT Gandhinagar, that one word in
Yeah,
your
that
resume, AI will definitely pick that
pick
and
that
forward
and
that to the
yeah.
other.
So it
this
to
thing.
increase the opportunity to select or shortlist in other companies.
Wow, totally, you have got an amazing experience, and is this all because of JKL University?
Yeah, it's because of JK Lakshmat University, because this is the college which gave us the opportunity to go to IITs for 4 semesters as well.
సో చూసారు కదండి. సో ఐఐటి పర్సీవ్ చేయకుండా డ్రీమ్ని డ్రీమ్గానే ఉండిపోయిన చాలామంది వాళ్ళు బీటెక్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇక్కడ జేకేఎల్ యూనివర్సిటీలో చదువుకుంటే మాత్రం వాళ్ళ కొలాబరేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి హ్యాపీగా ఇలా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ 1 సెమిస్టర్ కానీ 2 సెమిస్టర్స్ కానీ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి చదువుకునే ఆపర్చునిటీ వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. అండ్ ఐఐటి అనే ఒక మంచి వర్డ్ మీ రెజ్యూమీలో బిల్డ్ అవుతుంది అని తను చెప్పినట్టు ఏఐ పిక్ చేసుకుంటుంది అనమాట ఐఐటి గాంధీనగర్ ఉందని. సో దట్ రెజ్యూమే తన రెజ్యూమే క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ అవుతుంది నెక్స్ట్ షార్ట్ లిస్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు. ఇట్స్ అన్ అమేజింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అని చెప్తున్నారు. సో మీరు ఒకవేళ ఎవరైనా బీటెక్ చదువుకోవాలి అనుకున్న వాళ్ళు జేకేఎల్ లక్ష్మీపతి యూనివర్సిటీలో చదువుకోండి, బికాస్ ఇట్స్ అన్ అమేజింగ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ విత్ దిస్ సెమిస్టర్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విత్ ఐఐటి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you so much.